Hey guys, Lou J Bro out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're about to go check out a brand new listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,000 square feet. Looks like it's got a 35-foot boat deep garage. So we're gonna go check it out for a client. Hang out with us, check it out, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Right guys, we're over at 2811 Holiday Drive. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in '84, has a 35-foot deep garage bay, 2,125 square feet of living, puts it at $136 a square foot. We're gonna go and check it out. It is on natural gas, by the way. It's a nice little central neighborhood, nice quiet street. It's a big lot, over 14,000 square feet. Nice houses around. Let's go check it out. It looks like there's some side parking going up the side over here. All right, guys, so I'm just going to do a voiceover again because they were there and following me around and showing me everything. So anyways, this has a killer lake view and mountain view from the front deck. It's a really nice neighborhood, quiet, nice houses all around. So this is like the little sitting area right when you come in the front door to the left. It's all carpet, by the way. It does need a little bit of updating. This is the formal dining room, and then that's the master right there. So it's a pretty good sized master bedroom. It's got the double doors out to the patio there. Double sinks, just laminate counters. It's got wallpaper, so you can tell it needs some updating for sure. Big walk-in closet. Walk-in shower. So this is the main living area. The kitchen is tiled, but everything else is carpet. It's got laminate counters. It is on natural gas, so you have a natural gas stove and the potential for a natural gas water heater, which is a good thing. So stainless appliances, it's all pretty nice. So that door over there to the left, that's actually the door down the stairs to the 4th bedroom and the garage. So you have bedroom number 2. Pretty good size bedrooms. They're still building pretty good sized bedrooms back in the 80s. This was built in '84 before the big garages took over. This is a pretty good size indoor laundry. It's a hall sink, bathroom with double sinks. So this is bedroom number 3 that they're using as an office. So it's a pretty big lot. It's on, let's see, 14,375 square feet. So it's a pretty big lot. It's a great little neighborhood. It's got a wall, plenty of room for a pool or whatever you want to do back there. So there is some side parking to the left there. The gate was locked, so I just kind of peeked over with the camera and shot. This is the shot right here. So you can get way up there. The driveway is not as steep as it looks in the pictures. It is a stucco to grade construction setup, so there is some stucco degradation along the edge of where it meets the ground. That'll be a constant maintenance issue. So this is the 4th bedroom. It's downstairs. It was designed to be a casita. It's got a big old walk-in closet. Also has a full bath, and that door leads out to what was going to be a living area for this casita, but they've turned it into a workshop. The guy's a woodworker, so he just turned it into a big old shop. It's actually a real nice setup, and it'll probably stay pretty cool in the summer just because it's underneath the house and tucked under. These are steps out to the backyard from the workshop. So the garage is actually not 35 feet deep, but 35 feet wide, 26 feet deep with 7-foot doors. Hey guys, Lou back again with you. Hope you liked that quick little video walkthrough and voiceover. Anyways, I'm going to put a link to the listing right below this video. You can see all the listing pictures, current list price, availability. All my contact information will be right below this video as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you guys know anybody that's looking for something like this, please like this video and share it with anybody you feel would be in the market for something like this. I'd really appreciate it. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.